Okay, in this video we are going to download a web editor. So I want you to bring up your search engine. As you can see, I'm using Google, and in Google, or whoever it is you are using, I want you to type in Composer, K-O-M-P-O-Z or Z-E-R, and then click enter on your keyboard, and it should be your top result. And here it is. Now here is the download Composer for Windows. So if you are using a PC and Windows, this would be your download. Now if you are using something else like a Mac or something, your download will be under downloads here. So I'm using a PC, and I'm using Windows program. I have Windows XP, so I'm clicking on Download Composer. Now it's telling me to start 1 second, 0 seconds, and now this window pops up asking me where do I want to save it. Now I always save all of my programs that I download off of the internet in my computer, local disk C. Then I have a folder in here that I called downloads, and it's right here. And now I'm going to click on this icon up here, create new folder, and I'm going to call this folder Composer, K-O-M-P-O-Z-E-R, just so that I know where it is. And it's telling me I'm going to download Composer, and it's 0.7.10 Win32 program, and it is a WinZip file. So that means after we download it, we are going to have to unzip it. Click Save. Now down here it's telling us that it's downloading, and it's going to finish in however many seconds it shows there. Just keep an eye on this so that when it changes, we know that it's downloaded, and then we can go to the program and run it. Well, first we have to unzip it because it is downloading in a zipped program. And did you notice that change? So now we can show in folder by clicking on this, or we can close these windows and go to a folder which I downloaded in my computer, my local disk C, downloads folder, and I called the folder Composer, and here's the zipping program right here. Now, in order to use this, we have to unzip it. So, if you watched my other video on 7-zip, you would have a 7-zip program now installed on your computer. If not, you would have your own zipping program that you can unzip or extract the files with. So I'm going to use 7-zip. I'm going to right-click on my mouse. I'm going down to 7-zip. I'm going to click on Extract Here. And if you're following along, I want you to do the same. Now it's extracting the files here into this folder. All it's extracting is it's downloading the program to our computer. When we downloaded it in the zipped version, it was just condensed to make the download faster. That's all the zipping part of it is to enable us to be able to download it faster. So now that it's extracted, we double click on this folder, and now we see we have some more folders up here and some computer icons and computer files. Now the only one we're interested in is this one right here that says Composer. Okay? I want you to right click on this icon, scroll down to Send To, and then the top option should be Desktop Create Shortcut, and click on that. Okay? Then you can close this program. Now, it put a shortcut here on our desktop. See? Now anytime we want to open our web editor, all we have to do is double click on this icon. It saves us from having to dig down into our computer to where we saved the download at and open it from there. We can just open it from our desktop. And this is Composer. Now when Composer opens, this tip window pops up. So all we have to do, you can read it and go through the tips if you like, is close that. Now this is Composer. Now in the next video, we're going to have a tour Composer. So I'll see you in the next video in a second.